this is Peace Pipe Man coming at you once again. I am starting to refurbish my pipes, and I just wanted to show you quickly what I use to clean the internal part of the stem. It's called Everclear Grain Alcohol. It's 195 proof. That's craziness. Drink this, guys, if you want to get a good buzz going. You know, and I was going to smoke a pipe, but I don't know if I want to do that around this. This grain alcohol, 190 proof. Come on! But that's what it takes if you want to really do a good job cleaning your pipes. And I just want to show you quickly what I do. I just dip it in here real quick. And literally just feed it through. And all the way through. Try to get it all in there, and it will definitely start cleaning it once. Oh my God. I need to take better care of my pipes. Look at this. Oh. Absolutely disgusting, huh? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue doing this to clean the internal part of my stem, and I will also do the other one. A couple of you mentioned that you enjoyed. I don't want to touch the bowls because it will start taking the color off if I accidentally touch it with that grain alcohol on my hands. So I'm going to continue doing this, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, I am back now that I've completely cleaned this stem. As you can tell, all of it clean, even the rust that was on there. Boy, I'm telling you, that Everclear grain alcohol really does a number. Definitely worked, guys. So now what I'm doing is I'm working on my inside of my bowl. I don't like to use the Everclear. I learned a lesson many years ago not to use that stuff, because what it tends to do is it'll take the color off the bowl. And on one of the bowls that I've had, I had to ship it away and have it restained again because I used Everclear, and huge mistake. That will take the coloring off your bowl so fast, guys, so you don't want to do that. So I do not even use it to clean the inside of the bowl. I don't take a chance. What I am doing is I'm trying to make it so the bowl is at least cleaned out. You know, I like to keep a little coating on it, but it builds up over time, and if you don't maintain your pipes like I haven't in a few years, I get in here, and this is the perfect knife for it. It's got a, look at that, the shape of it's perfect, so I can get down to the bottom of the bowl. And I literally just go back and forth tobacco that's accumulated against the walls of my bowl. And this one is almost done. I will continue to do this, and I look under here because I'm going blind as I get older, and I just make sure that it's even all the way around. And it took many pipe cleaners to clean the inside of the stems. Look at all that. So anyways, I'll be back. Now I am working on the stem, and I'm using 600 grit sandpaper to get all the oxidation off. And this is what it's looking like. There's a lot on there. And I will continue to do this until no more comes off. And yes, I covered the dot. There it is, that little blue mark. So I will continue to do this until no more comes off, and then I'll go through the wheel. All right, see you in a little bit. Okay, now I'm back, and I'm going to now buff the stem using, again, the Triple E. What I do is I grab this and I put a little bit on the wheel. Grab the stem, and I start working. And I just keep working it until I buff the entire stem, and you can already see that it's already getting nicer. So I'll be back when I'm finished with this. Okay guys, this is what it looks like so far after I use the tripoli to buff it out. And now I'm going to use the white diamond. Let's see how this goes. Alright. Okay, let's see how this works. That's the shine. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Alright, here we go. We are ready to wax it with the Canuba wax. We're going to apply it to the bowl. Now you apply it very lightly. That's the trick. Gotta be very careful. You don't want it to spin out of your hand and go flying. That's how you do the wax. Okay guys, I am finally finished with my two Dunhill pipes that I've been working on for a while, and let's see what the finished product is. Here are my two 19, 18, 19, 21, 22 pipe Dunhills. Nice grain. That's one of them. Came out pretty nice. That's one. And my Shellbriar. You can see the red and the undertones in that bowl. Stem came out really nice. So there you go. And with that, when I'm all done with all the other pipes, I will show you all of them. Oh, that was a lot of fun. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and keep them smoking, guys. Cheers.